Okay, I had a bit of time on my hands, so I came to the Queen's Gardens Park in Perth. It's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. It's like a really beautiful park in the middle of Perth. So this is Queen's Garden. I'm not sure what's special about it, other than that it's a really stunning park. Like seriously, look at that. Probably like fish in there. Hopefully no crocodiles. They're ducks. Beautiful grass. You can come sit here and have lunch or chill. So you're busy working up in those buildings on the construction site. You can come chill here on the grass and enjoy this beautiful park. This is Queen's Gardens Park in Perth. Really nice. Super pretty. We'll take a walk around. There's like little things. I don't know if there are any like kangaroos. You have to close the gate when you leave. I think that's to stop the ducks from escaping. There are like little ducks everywhere. There seem to be students. There, look, little ducks. Ducks. And then this beautiful park. Take a quick walk over there. There's like a bandstand. There's something to do with Peter Pan. We're going to have a look for that. Okay, I've just spotted a black swan. I'm going to have a look at it. It's like seriously beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Look, there's a black swans. Oh, black swans. Not just one, there's a whole bunch of them. I don't know if they bite people or not. Just like, didn't see any warning signs. Just stay away from them. Hi. Aren't you pretty? Hey? Aren't you pretty? You're very pretty. Standing on your one leg. So pretty. Look at that, beautiful black swan. There's some more lying there on the grass. Oh, there's some more lying over there. We're going to say hello to those ones. There's some function going on there. Oh, look, more swans. Hello. Hi. You're very pretty. Look at you. Oh, yes. Oh. There's another one. Hello. Oh, it's staring at me funny. So, yeah, really beautiful park. You come and see the black swans. There's some function happening there. Probably can have functions. They're doing a lot of photographs or something or other. They're doing some rehabilitation of these trees or something over here. There. We're refreshing your local garden. Very nice. I've seen any kangaroos or anything. So there we have it. Queen's Park, middle of downtown Perth. I say downtown Perth, I have no idea what side of Perth I'm at. But yeah, really cool. Beautiful park. If I was working around here, I'd love to come spend more time in this park. It's like, yeah. Anyway, I'll show you a view from the stunning park. Open up a little bit. There we go. Look at that. Really beautiful park. Oh wait, there's a sign. There's the Peter Pan thing. I'll go and see what that's all about. Over there. I just spotted it now. Okay, so here we go. This is the statue of Peter Pan. Okay, that's cool. That's what that's all about. Peter Pan, the autograph replica of Sir George Frampton's statue of J.M. Barrie's immortal character in London's Kensington Gardens, was presented to children of Western Australia in 1972. The members of the Friends of the Rotary Club of Perth. Oh wow! And this is a beautiful statue. Look at that. Got like a little rabbit. Oh wow. Wendy. The children. And there's Peter Pan. That is seriously a nice statue. Okay, not with that in the background. Here we go. There's Peter Pan. Oh, epic. Cool. Look at that. That sign somewhere by the author. That is a really stunning statue. Jeez. Look at the detail of it. Look at that. Look at the little mice. And there's your signature. Wow. That is so cool. Wow. And lots of Wendy's. Hey. So there we have it. That awesome Peter Pan bronze statue in Queen's Park. That's so cool. Anyway, cool. More from my Western Australia adventures. And seriously, just come out and check a statue out. I mean, I can't actually get because it's like seriously well made. You can see all the little everything. Look at the rabbits. That's a squirrel. That's a squirrel. I mean, look at that. Look at the detail on that. There's a little lizard. And then a little frog. Wow, and then a crow sleeping, or raven. Raven or crow. All the kids looking at Peter Pan. You all know the story about Peter Pan. Never Never Land. I'm not sure if it's all true, but I'll put a description of what they say about it. Oh, but look how well made that is. That's incredible. Wow. Anyway, so if you ever happen to be in Perth, you should definitely come check out this, just for the statue. And the swans. Come here at a picnic under this beautiful tree. Ducks, you got ducks. Everything. Absolutely epic. Epic. No, it's actually really stunning. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to have a look around there quickly. Might as well. Look at these flowers they have here. Just take a walk over. This looks like so well presented. Like really, like just the whole layout of it is just absolutely spectacular. Beautiful. Yeah, look how it's presented. The green shrubbery, then the red. Then you come up to this beautiful whatchamacallit, whatever those things are called. I know exactly what they're called, but it escapes my memory now. I'll get them in South Africa as well. And you got the beautiful trees back there, so it's just the whole way it's just sort of laid out. Just makes for such a beautiful place. Wow. Seriously cool. And that's probably the entrance gate there. And I mean, even everything is just absolutely stunning. So there we go, I've taken you around the whole park now. But definitely the highlight is that Peter Pan statue. It's just so well done, so well crafted. And the whole park itself is well laid out. So kudos to whoever did that. Okay, anyway, sorry, that was just a bit of extra. Thanks for watching. And this will probably be my last Western Australian adventure video for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thanks.